Hello students, you know very well that judiciary, legislature, executive and media, these are the four pillars of a democracy, and in that one of the important pillar is judiciary. So but if someone criticizes the court, if someone tries to scandalize the court, what are the legal options available with courts? That is called as contempt of court. Okay, so if someone shows disrespect to a court or its judicial official, then it is called as contempt of court. So let us understand in this particular video what are the legal provisions and other issues related with contempt of court. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इटसेल्फ, हमारे संविधान में ये लिखा है कि आर्टिकल 129 एंड आर्टिकल 215 सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट को रिस्पेक्टिवली पावर देता है कि वो व्यक्ति या संस्थाओं को उसके कंटेम्प्ट के लिए पनिश करे. सो इट इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Second important point, in many of the cases, even Supreme Court has used Article 142 to punish lawyers for their misconduct. And you know that Article 142 ये बहुत important article है because it gives Supreme Court special powers to dispense natural justice. Okay, so try to understand. So there were many cases which were being filed in contempt of court issues. So in order to streamline that and in order to just make it very clear, government came up with the act in 1971. And this particular act, इस particular act में दो तरह के contempt के बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है. फर्स्ट वन इज सिविल एंड द सेकंड वन इज क्रिमिनल. अब सिविल कंटेम्प्ट में होता क्या है, मानिए किसी एक पर्सन को कोर्ट्स ने कुछ पनिशमेंट दिया या फिर कुछ डायरेक्टिव दिए, कुछ रूल्स बनाए जिसका डिसओबे हो गया है किसी पर्सन से. So that is called as civil contempt. But in criminal contempt, these are very serious allegations. First of all, for example, if you are threatening witnesses, you are not allowing court to work, that is called as interference with the administration of justice. You are not allowing court to work. Or second one, you are criticizing the judiciary to such an extent that the faith of people in the institution is getting decreased. It is a threat to the institution. Then it is called as scandalizing the court. So ये important provisions इस एक्ट में दिए. अगर आप कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के दोषी पाए जाते हैं तो सजा क्या है? आपको 6 महीने की जेल हो सकती है या फिर 2000 का जुर्माना लगा जा सकता है या फिर दोनों भी हो सकता है. ओके, गवर्नमेंट ने 2006 में इस एक्ट को अमेंड किया और इसमें ये बात और क्लियर करने की कोशिश की गई कि इफ़ यू आर सीरियसली, योर एक्ट is seriously interfering with the administration of justice, then the administration, the courts will take the cognizance and the other things will proceed. But if you are criticizing the court for public interest and if whatever matters you are putting forward are true and bona fide, then it is not a contempt. Okay. Now important point which is comes to many intellectuals mind that we need to abolish this particular law or this particular provision in the constitution कि खत्म होना चाहिए contempt of court. So what law commission, which is a constitutional body again, in its 274th report जो 2018 में उन्होंने सबमिट किया था, वो बोले कि नहीं, we need to continue with contempt of court because many cases are being filed every year. Okay, so this is the stand of law commission on the contempt. So that was one of the important point that you need to understand. And the last, and which is the most important point of this particular concept is, if someone wish to file contempt of court proceedings or case against any person or organization, first of all he need a no objection kind of statement from Attorney General. If Attorney General agree, then he can file the case. Okay. So without his permission, no one can file contempt of court proceedings. So that's it for this particular video. For more videos, keep watching this channel. Thank you so much.